So we are done with the first example here, example 1, that says solve the following equation using graphical method. So now we are going to solve this second part of the question that says 3x minus 2 equals to 2 and 2x minus y equals to 3. So as I said on the previous lesson, I said you post your answer, then we try to review and I see if what I'm having here is the same answer, then that's thumbs up. So now let's see. So of course, if you can recall from the previous lesson, what we do first here, what we did on that lesson, first we make a table, right? So we use two tables for this one. This is table 1 and this is table 2. So for table 1, table 1 here we make, we are going to have our coordinates, x and y coordinates. So this is table 1. For 3x minus y equals to 2, 3x minus y equals to 2. So now, our coordinates are x, y, and x, comma, y. So this again, if you want, you can start from 0, 2, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's up to you. But let's see, for me, this time around, let's say we start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3. That's for table 1. Yeah. So again, we use the same procedure. We say what when? Here we say when x equals to 0. When x equals to 0, what is y? So now we say y, we say 3 into 0 now. Mind you, the equation is 3x minus y equals to 2. So here now we can say 3 into 0 minus y equals to 2. So now this 3 times 0 is just 0. So 0 minus y equals to 2. Therefore, our y is equals to minus 2. So when x is 0, y is minus 2. Again, when x is 1, so when x is 1, and x equals to 1, what is our y? Y 3 into this 1 now instead of x, 1 minus y equals to 2. So here we can say minus y equals to 2. We transpose this 3. 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. So minus 1 cancels, so y equals to 1 here. So y here equals to 1. When x is 0, when x is 1, sorry here, when x is 1, y is also 1. Okay? So when x is 2, when x equals to 2, so we say 3 into 2 minus y equals to 2. So here now we can say 6 minus y equals to 2 minus 6. So minus y here equals to 2 minus 6, which is minus 4. Minus, and the minus cancels. So this, our y here equals to 4. So y here is 4. Y here is 4. When x is 3, x equals to 3, what will be our y? When x is 3, y, so we say 3 into 3 is minus y equals to 2. So this is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, so we say here 9 minus y equals to 2. So now we transpose here we say minus y equals to 2 minus 9, which is minus 7. So this one will have 7. So y equals to 7. So this one here, y is 7. When x is 3, y is 7. So that's for table 1. So now table 2 for this second part of the equation. So we say table 2. Table 2. Again. This. And also divide this into 4. 4 here. So here we say x, y. This is x comma y. So first, let's try to fill this one here, the coordinates x comma y. So this is 0, comma minus 2. This is 1, comma 1. This is 2, comma 4. And this is 3, comma 7. 3, comma 7. So now again, let's say this one, you can say let this be again 1, 2, 3, 4. This again will let x to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So now here we say our equation is 2x minus y equals to 3. 2x minus y equals to 3. So again, let's try to solve this. So here we say when x equals to 1, so what is y? So now we say 2 into 1 minus y equals to 3. So this now we transpose this 2. 3 minus 2 here is just 1. So now we divide both sides by minus. So this one, our y here becomes minus 1. So when x is 1, y is minus 1. So when x equals to 2, again we say 2 into 2 minus y equals to 3. Then again this 2 times 2, which is 4. 3, this 3 minus 4, which is minus 1. So minus divided by minus become positive. So y equals to 1. So y here is 1. Y equals to 1. So when x equals to 3, when x equals to 3, again we say 2 into 3, 2 into 3, because our equation here is 2x minus 1 equals to 3. So we replace or we substitute this x by the variable given. So now we say 2 into 3 minus y equals to 3. This again, 2 times 3, which is 6. So now 3 minus 6, which is minus 3. Minus 1 divided by this negative sign here. This one becomes 3. Therefore, y equals to 3. So when x equals to 4, so now we say 2 into 4 minus y equals to 3. So this now becomes 8. 3 minus 8, which is minus 5. So minus y minus 5 now becomes y equals to 5. Y equals to 5 here. So y equals to 5. So now our coordinates are, this is 1, comma minus 1. This is 2, comma 1. 3, comma 3. And 4, comma 5. So as you can see here the table, now we are going to draw our graph. We use these coordinates to plot our graph and find the solution of the equation. So now here we use a scale of This we can say scale of 2 centimeter to 1 unit. Even though we have here 7, which is higher, we have 7 here, which is much more higher. But you can see, so the y-axis we try to use it because sometimes you can see according to the coordinates, then you give your scaling. Let's make this more bigger. This is our y-axis. This is our x-axis. X-axis. Y here now we have y, the highest is 7 and the least is -2. The x here, so again this scaling you can say 2 centimeter to 1 unit on x axis and 2 centimeter to 2 units on y axis. This again is possible. Okay. So now for the x-axis we use 2 centimeter to 1 unit, that is 1, 2, 3, and for y-axis we use 2 centimeter to 2 units, which is 2, 4, 6. So now let's see here, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this we have 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we label this. This is 2, 4, 6, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. This is -2, -4, -6, -8. So now let's try to plot our graph. First here we'll take these coordinates, this one and this one, then we'll try to plot. So the first one here, when x is 0, y is -2. When x is 0 here, y is -2. So where is the 0? 0 is here, this point, 0. So when x is 0, y is -2. So when x is 0, y is -2 here. Here. When x is 0, y is -2. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 1, this is between here. This 1, this 1 is between here and here. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 4. When x is 2 here, y is 4 with this. Y is 4. When x is 3, y is 7. When x is 3, y is 7, 7 is between here. So again, we can label our coordinates. Here we can say 0, 0, -2. Here we can say 1, 1. Here we can say 2, 4. Here we can say 3, 7. So now we can just try to trace these points, draw our line. This is like a straight line here. And draw this line. This is the line. This equation is this first one. This is 3x minus y equals to 2. So let's plot again the second equation here. The second equation, when x is 1, y is minus 1. When x is 1, y is minus 1. When x is 1, when x is 1 here, y is minus 1, and this one is 2 here. These are the points. When x is 1, y is minus 1. 1, minus 1. So then when x is 2, y is 1. So when x is 2, when x is 2, here, when x is 2, y is 1. So when x is 2, y is 1, please take this point. When x is 2, y is 1. 2, 1. Then when x is 3, y is 3. When x is 3, between here is our 3. So this 3, 3. And finally, when x is 4, y is 5. When x is 4, y is 5, 5 is between here. When x is 4, y is 5. So this is the coordinates. So now again we try to join these points together. Make sure these 2 points intersect. So if we draw this line now, let's see. Join this to this, this to this. Then trace this one. So the point of intersection here, this is the point of intersection. So this point here is the solution of the equation. This is the solution. Solution of the equation. So at these points, if we trace these points, you can see. Now we try to trace these points to these points. This solution of the equation probably will be 0.5 for the x, 0.5, comma, then these 2 points minus 2 points, 3, 5, minus 2.7. Minus 2.7. This minus 0.5 and minus 2.7. Therefore, this one, our answers are negative, minus 0.5 and minus 2.7. So therefore, our x, this is our x, and this is our y. So also for the previous equation, our x is this one and our y is this other equation. So this takes us to the end of this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel, like, comment and share. As every week we are bringing similar content of this nature. So also we have other courses we offer, Python online, which is free. So don't forget to hit that subscription button, comment and share.